Hey, what's going on guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you fix screen share audio not working on Discord. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So the first thing you want to do is to check if your Discord app is actually up to date. So go ahead and go to App Store and check it out if your app is up to date. If not, you can update your app. Now, if your app is up to date but still you are having this kind of issue, what you can do is try to offload your app from your phone. To do this, you can go to your phone settings, go to General, and tap on iPhone storage. Now wait for a few seconds for the information to load and look for Discord on the list. Now from here, tap on Offload App, and then tap on Reinstall App. So this is going to delete the app and reinstall it on your device. So this should fix the issue that you are having. So there we have it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I am going to see you in the next one.